All right, good evening all. Welcome to today's class. We'll be continuing from where we stopped in Excel yesterday. And today we are starting with insert menu. So we look at some of the options that we perform in insert menu. Okay, so first one we'll look at is table. When you are in insert, you can have a option. You can have an option that will be able to create a very good table layout for you. So to do that, you just select the location, select the cells that you want to bring the table, then click on insert and click table. So this will help you to insert tables there. So when you have inserted the table, you can choose the design or the layout of those tables. Okay, so this is how it look like. So you can always edit the information you have. This column 1, column 2, column 3. You can always edit it in case you want to name them. You can say this one is ages. You can say this one is date. So you can always edit the information on the headings. You just click on it, go to your information tab, and edit it. Okay, so this is how you can have a good looking table in Excel. Okay, so when you have this table, what do you want to achieve? What you want to achieve is that you can be able to filter objects. For example, if you type ages of people here, you can be able to filter the ones you don't want, give the information, give the criteria for the filtering. So this is the data or the information I have on that column. And centralize it. So if you want to filter, you can be able to filter which ones you want. Okay, so now I don't want, I have up to 23, from 15 to 23. So let's say that I don't want all of them. I can remove all and select only the ones I want. Let's say I want only 15 and 16 to appear. And I will say, okay. So you see that other ones has been hidden. It's not deleted, but it's hidden, it's there. Okay, so this can help you to, this is for easy information tracking. That is what you use this filter for. So you want all to appear. So maybe like in position, you want to select who scored from 50 to 80. So you just go there with the filter drop down arrow and select the value that you want. And that is what you have. So that you can print it without deleting the other values. This is what you have. If you want to print it or you want to use it, you can use only this one. And the other values are still there. It's not deleted. So that is one use of this filter tool. Okay, when you have inserted it as a table. So the other thing we do here is insert pictures. So you can insert pictures from your device or even from online. So if I select from my computer, I can be able to trace in my computer where I have pictures, and I will select the pictures and insert it. Let me use this one. So you click on insert, so it comes under your workable. So you can be able to reduce the size, click and hold and drag down. So you can reduce the size of the picture to fit in at any area you want it to fit in. So that is how you can insert picture in Excel. So when you have inserted the pictures, there is a lot of things you can do on that picture. You can decide to crop it. Crop it means reduce remove some edges or maybe remove some part that you don't want. So what you have to do is select the picture and on the format is selected, select format, go to crop, select crop. Then you see this sided edges coming out. So click on it and drag to any point that you want to remove from the picture. So I don't want this side, I want only this side to remain. So you click out. This is called cropping. You have cropped out those other edges or those other sides that you don't want. Okay. There's other things you can do with the picture. You can rotate your picture. This is flip horizontal. You can rotate the picture also 90 degrees. You can rotate it, flip vertical. So you can do a whole lot of on that picture that you have imported or you have inserted. So let's see other things you can do. You can give an edge to the picture. Still on that format, you can give the picture some designs, depending on what you want. You can change the color of the picture as well. Select here, color. Okay, you can change the color of the picture. Also, remove picture background. So the picture is selected, just like we did in Excel. You can remove the picture's background. Just select the picture and click on remove background. So it has highlighted the areas that will be removed. So the areas that you want to keep, select a plus and mark across the areas that you want to keep, the areas that you don't want to remove. So these areas I'm marking are the areas that I don't want to remove. I want to keep them. Okay. So that is how you remove background. You see other areas have left. Only those areas that I didn't remove are still there. So that is what you can do on picture. That is for insert picture. Now you can insert shapes, just like in Excel and PowerPoint. You can select the shape and draw it. Okay. You can insert icons as well, just like we did in Microsoft Word. Okay. So I will not waste time on this one because we have seen a lot of this insert in the past. We have seen how we insert them. Okay, so you can also insert screenshots. You will take screenshot of your system, the Windows, other programs that are open. You take a screenshot and insert. Add-on installations. So this one is like additional installation you want to install in your Excel, like programs or applications that you want to install. So apart from that, then let's go to how to insert chart. How to insert a chart. Let's have some values. Let me highlight all so that all my values will come out. So this is the ages. So this is age of people. And I want to plot it as a graph, maybe as histogram or as a pie chart. So that is when you go to recommended chart. So what you do, highlight the values that you want to use to plot the graph. Go to insert, ensure that you have selected insert, then click on recommended chart. So this is the type of chart that is recommended, but it doesn't mean that you are restricted to only this chart. You can select other types of charts that you want. Let's select all charts. So you have line chart, you have pie chart, okay? So you have bar chart as well. So let's plot this pie chart. We'll click OK. So this is the pie chart of this value I have here. So this is the pie chart of ages of people. So you see the color, 1 has this color, 2 is this one, 3 is this one. So now the chart is here. You can add some features. Click on plus, the plus by the side, then add label. Label will make the details of those things will go inside each of the pie charts. Okay, now let's come here, chart style. You can change your chart style, how you want it to look. Like this one now will have background. So it's just the style. The details and everything will still be the same, but you are just changing the chart style. Okay, so this is chart style. If you come there also, you can select color. So this is the set of colors that we are using right now. So if we select this one, it will change the colors of each of the items, and the legend will still change, showing you that 1 is this color, 2 is this color, 3 is this color. Okay, so these are the items you can enhance. Okay, you can also remove or add the categories that you already have. Like now, we've selected all 1 to 9. If you deselect any of them, then you are removing it from that chart. Okay, so if you click on apply, that means 1 has gone out. And we see that if you put it back, click on apply, then it stays there. Let's look at names. So if there's no category there. So this one now is your heading. This is the your chart heading. So you can see ages of boys. So you can always edit your chart heading. It took that information from the test we had. So this is it for, this is how to plot pie chart. Let's plot another type of chart. Thought somebody was trying to join. Okay, so someone was trying to join, but it's showing up and off. Okay, sorry for that. So let's continue. Let's plot another type of chart. This is pie chart. So I want to plot another type of chart. I will select the values or the information I want to plot. Go to insert and click on the type of chart I want to plot. This is bar chart. So let me give more different data so that the bar chart will look this one is for age of guests. So let's write 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So to plot this chart, I have to select the 2 columns that I have, then go to my chart. I want to use bar chart. Okay, so this is my bar chart. So just select the type of chart that you want. Let me use this clustered bar chart. So this is the chart I'm plotting. Plotting a chart of ages of girls and ages of boys in a bar chart. So you can always edit the heading. So this is the heading. So let's see, there's other functions you can bring out. If you select the chart, go to plus. There are other things hidden that you can bring out. You can bring out axis title. Axis, just like horizontal axis and vertical axis. So this is axis title. So on this axis, the vertical axis, what do you have there? What you have in this axis could be the ages. Okay, this is the ages. Then this one is the what? The class. So this is the axis title is there. There's another thing you can bring out from there. You can bring out a data label. See, data label will point every information that you plotted will be on that column, on that bar. You can bring out threading or thread line. Okay. You can also bring out data table. So below that chart, all the figures or the values that you use for that plotting will appear below it. Okay, so all these ones, anyone you don't like, you just click on the plus and remove it. Can remove data labels. I can remove data table. Okay, now let's look at this one, chart style. You can decide to change your chart style from here. When you click here, you will select any type of style of the chart you want. Okay, so that is chart style. You can filter the chart. If maybe you decided that you want to remove 8 and 9, you can simply click it out and press apply. So those 8 and 9 has disappeared from your chart or from what you have plotted. If you want to bring it back, you just select it, select them and click apply. It will appear automatically on the chart. So the other thing you can do on that chart is color. Maybe you don't want blue and this brown. You want something like with yellow. You can select this one and this color settings will change. Okay, so this is what you can do under this chart. So hope we are following. So that is it about the charts. Okay, so that is how to plot a chart in Excel. Now let's look at page layout. We have margins. You can have a wide or narrow margin, depending on what you want. Page, you can use A3 or A4 size of paper in your page layout. Background, you can decide to insert picture, or you can decide to use anything as your background. So click on background, click on file, from file, and go to the inside your pictures where you have pictures and put it as a background. So it can be your logo, it can be your company logo, it can be anything. You just you can use it as a background. So it will just be below your the Excel file or the Excel working environment. If you want to remove it, just simply click delete background, and that image is off. Okay. So let's now look at some of the formulas that we can use in Excel. I will open another sheet. I will open a new sheet. Just click on this plus and you have a new sheet. So this is a new sheet, and so let's open a new sheet and have some informations or values there so that we can be able to do some mathematical functions. So let's say I have age of boys here, and on the other column I have age of girls. The other column I have age of mothers. The other column I have age of fathers. So I want us to have these values so that when we start calling them up, we know what arithmetical formulas we are using. So I have 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So that is for girls, I have 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So for mothers, I will have maybe 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Then for fathers, maybe I'll have 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So this is the values that I want to get. Just with these values, we can start our information, our calculation. Now, I hope you can still see my screen.
Yes, go on.
Okay. So let's continue here. So here, this place now will be my total. So I want to get total of the age of boys here. I will get total of age of girls here also. So if I want, I can insert column to the left. How can you do that? You have already clicked on this place, go to insert and say insert a column. Okay, so maybe here I will say total. So for age of boys, I want to add it. The formula is sum Sum is for addition. So to do that, first of all, type equal to. Then you type sum because you want to do addition. Open your bracket. Okay. What are the things you want to sum? Take your mouse and click on the first place where you want to start the summing and hold your shift key. Hold the shift key on the keyboard, come down and click the last one. So with that, you have highlighted all the areas you want to sum. Then hold the shift key and close the bracket. This bracket is closed now. So I'm summing from B1 to B7. I'll click equal to. So this is the sum of this age of voice. Okay. Let's say I want to insert row above. So I will now write my total here so that do not confuse me. Okay, so the same way you can do for gears, type equal to, type sum, open your bracket. Okay, so the reason why I ask you to select is so that you don't need to bother yourself looking for the cell address. Because if you want to look for the cell address, it's still easy. This is C and C for the column, but for the rows is 2. So you can still decide to type it. Say C2, C2. Okay, and you want to go up to C what? C7. This is where this 5 is. You just press column and say C7. So it has highlighted all that area. And close the bracket. Then say enter. Okay, so this is the total value for age of gears. Let's quickly do for age of mothers equal to sum, open, select the first cell, hold your shift key, select the last one. Then hold the shift key and close the bracket. You know where the bracket is on the value 0. Close the bracket and press enter. So you have the value of total value of mothers. So I want us to get the total, then we'll start subtracting. For the age of fathers equal to sum, open bracket, select the first one, hold your shift key, select the last one, and close the bracket, say equal to. So this is the total age of fathers. Now, we want to do subtraction. So what is the, I want to subtract the age of fathers to age of mothers. Okay, so I want to say the difference in age between the fathers and the mothers. That is this one, E9 minus what? D9. That will give me the age of fathers minus age of mothers. So how do you do that? Type equal to. Then instead of typing addition, you type subtraction. Instead of typing sum, you type subtract. No, use subtraction. Then open your bracket. Say this minus this one. Close the bracket and say equal to. So it's giving me error. Okay, let's use direct minus. Let's say equal to this value minus this one. Okay, that will give me the exact answer. Because you are subtracting, minus is just 2 values that you subtract. Okay, so This is age of fathers minus age of mothers. So why you use, I did not type 195 or type 177 because the values can always change and it will affect each one. Now, let's say this age of father here is 30. If I change this value here to 29, everything will be affected automatically. You see, the total of age of fathers have automatically changed to 194, and the subtraction I did here has automatically changed as well. So that is why it's good to use the cell address. So whatever is inside that cell will become what will affect the other calculations you have done. So you don't need to start calculating them again. Like here I have 33. If I just change it to 70, all the values will change. The total values of father's age will change automatically. Subtracted from what the mothers have, automatically the subtraction will also change. If I change any value on that of the mothers, let's say 26, every other thing will automatically get updated immediately. So that is the beauty of using a cell and using the cell address instead of using the numbers. Okay? If you are using the numbers, it will not automatically update other things. So that is for subtraction. Then we can do multiplication. Multiplication is equal to this value multiplied by, see your multiplication sign is this sign above your 8. Okay? The other value, put your multiplication sign also. That asterisk that you see on your number 8. You multiply also. Put your multiplication and this. Close your. So this is what you got by multiplying all the values. So you just, your times is just that asterisk above the value 8 equal to this value multiplied by this value. Say enter. So it will give you that value. That is how you multiply. So you can find the mean, you can find the median, you can find the mode also. We want to find which one is the minimum between the values that we have. You select this one up to hold your shift key and select this one. Close it, press enter. So it tells you which of the value is the minimum, is the smallest. So you want to find the smallest number. Okay. So as the numbers are changing, it will automatically change the value there. Let me incorporate other values. Press equal to min, M-I-N, open bracket, select from the beginning, and hold your shift key to the end. Close the bracket and say equal to. So you're asking, among all these values, which one is the minimum? Which one is the smallest? So it tells you that it's 5. So if you change, this one is 5. If you change any of the values here now, let's say I change this one now to 4, say enter, it will automatically update because the minimum is no longer 5, it's now 4. So if I change this value here to 2, okay, because I've selected all these ones and I'm asking which one is the minimum. So the value will automatically update because 2 is now the minimum. Okay, so we can also do in the same way the maximum equal to mass, MAS, open your bracket, select the values, hold your shift key and select the last one. So all the values here, close the bracket, say equal to. So among all these values that I've selected, which one is the maximum? That is what it's saying here. And it told me that it's 70. So you don't need to start searching and start looking one after the other to find which one is the highest number there. Okay, so it will not make mistake. It will automatically return the value for you. So if this 70 that is the highest changes, if I turn it to 50, okay, it will automatically update what is the highest value in that selection that I've done already. Remember, this is the area I selected. That is why 50 is the highest value there. Okay, so I think this is the basic mathematical calculations we do in Excel. So the other ones are further mathematics, like here. You can get your average count numbers. Like here, if you select all the values and go to count numbers, so it will automatically count the numbers you have on each of the columns. So these columns, I have 6 numbers. This is counted 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's correct. So if I select that place also and go to this place, you can do sum. You want to sum all of them to automatically bring it down, the values. Okay. The maximum, just like we did before, what is the maximum value? For each of the rows, it will bring out what is the maximum value. If I go to this equation sign also and say average, so it will give me the average of so if you do the average, it will do the average of each of these columns. What is average? Average is the entire value divided by the addition of the entire value divided by its number. So if you select that row, you will see where it wrote it here. Average B1, B2 to B10. Average of each of these columns. Okay, so we have a lot of formulas here. You can select here, say more formulas. So you have all the formulas. You have most of the mathematical formulas that you want to use. Select there, go to this formula area, say more functions. So you have a lot of functions that you can do. Here, so let's say we are doing financial. So there are more advanced formulas that you can do here, like mean, median, mode, all those type of formulas are all here. Okay, so this is the basic mathematical functions we have in Excel, and you find them under formulas. So if you want more mathematical formulas, you come here. Under formulas, you see a lot of, most of them are advanced. See this one, mass and trigonometric ratios like cosine, cosh, and all the trigonometric ratios. You find all of them here. Find all of them here. Logic, false if, or true if. So these are more advanced formulas that you can look into and embrace them. So that is it about the Excel formulas. It's basic. These are basic formulas. So the other advanced ones, we can put more time for it later. So I'm not feeling too good. You have any question you can ask before we close for today? Any?
Hello, boss. Good evening.
Yeah.
Sorry. Okay. In this side of inserts for the screenshot, I tried to screenshot one of it, but it's not actually giving what I need.
If you click insert and say insert screenshot, so
screenshot is
going to select the windows you have open. It's not screenshotting this particular one you are working on. Other windows you have open, like for me, I have this one, I have Zoom open, I have other windows that you have open, not the Excel. You have to open other windows you have on the background, right? Other windows or other applications running on the background. That's what is going to screenshot.
Yes. So it's not possible to screenshot to the Excel.
The one you are working on. It's not possible from here. But if you want to, there's other ways to go about it. You can use a snipe. Just go to your search bar and type snipe, S-N-I-P, sniping tool. So you can click on sniping tool. I don't know if you have seen my screen.
No, it's not showing.
Did you see the sniping tool?
No.
It's not showing. Maybe. Let me share it. Maybe I have to share my full window so that screens that I want to share. Let me share this one, sniping tool. This is what I was talking about. So you see this one. Just go to your search bar and type sniping tool, S-N-I-P-P-I-N-G, sniping tool. So with this sniping tool, you click on new. If you click on new, you'll be able to use it to run around your computer. If you run it around your computer, so you have selected whatever you have selected, then you just paste it under your Excel. That is how to copy the active window. So apart from that, the other ones, you can copy windows that is running on the background. Okay. Are you with me, Chika?
Yes, I'm with you.
All right. So that is how you can get that one. You can just use sniping tool to crop it out and paste it.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Any other question?
Please, I didn't get the summation very well. I've been battling with it since. I got the addition, but the minus.
Okay. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see where I clicked, right? That is where I want the what I will minus to appear. Okay, so you just click, type equal to, select the value, the highest value that you want to subtract from. I want to select this one, that is total of age of fathers. Okay, then type minus. Okay, see the minus is that one near the equal to by the left on your keyboard, minus the other value that you want to subtract. Then press enter to subtract it. Is it okay?
Yes.
All right.
Thank
So
you,
any
sir.
other question? Okay. So tomorrow is Friday. We will not have class. We'll do the conclusion of the class on Saturday. On Saturday, we do brief about report writing and email sending, how to set up your email, set up your signatures, and do some setup on your communication and report writing. So we'll just do that on tomorrow. So maybe next we'll do the correct draw and we'll conclude. All right, if that is all, we'll call it a day and see you again on Saturday.
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you.
What of tomorrow?
Tomorrow is Friday. We have weekend holiday.
Okay, okay. Thank you very much.
Yeah,
Thank you very much.
thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.